Okay, Fred Burrows Swift Plumbers, I'm not 3 feet out. I'm 3 feet from our clean out. I've reset the counter. I went and located the clean out, which is actually on this side of the home. I want to go over here and show you. We've located this clean out right there. Oh, scared the shit out of me. Right there where that hole is, right next to the AC unit, and going that way towards the street. That's where we located it. Now, there's a lot of debris in this line, as you could see in the first video. So trying to get this camera to move forward has not been easy. You can see some of that debris in there. So he's flushing the toilet. And I'm gonna put this down for a second. We're going around the corner right now that I located. All right, yeah, we don't want to get stuck. The camera's starting to stick here, so it's not going to make it. So what we do in this situation is we didn't get to finish this inspection as far as the exterior. So once the clean out has been installed, either by us, the customer, or whoever does it, we can come back and re-inspect. All we charge is our minimum charge at that point of $124 instead of the inspection charge again. So, and then we'll just quickly inspect it from the clean out, which will actually be a very quick little job.